Even though I live in the Northeast, I can still get fresh greens year-round, hydroponically. Meet Chris Powell. Fresh lettuce from Good Harvest Farms deserves a homemade salad dressing. My favorite? Lemon garlic. My friend Tracy, a boxing coach and personal trainer, takes us through some of her favorite exercises. Coach Diane explains why we should learn our language, there's an apple a day, and so much more.
I'm Tanya Stroh, a certified personal trainer and contributing author. One thing I learned is that fitness isn't just exercise. Healthy living is more than working out and even eating well. It's about balance. Don't force exercises that are boring. Don't eat food you don't like. Don't let fear hold you back. Life is about living on your terms, so we put it all together on your and my Fitness RX.